Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekaleva. See, this is 12th standard math CBSE chapter 9 exercise 9.5 third sum. Show that the given differential equation is homogeneous and solve each of them. See, first you will check it is a differential, the given differential equation is homogeneous or not. So x minus y into dy equal to x plus y into dx. You bring this term to the right hand side. X minus y into dy equal to x plus y into dx. dy by dx equal to x plus y by x minus y. X plus y by x minus y. So, see the degree of the numerator and denominator is 1. So, it is a homogeneous equation because the degree of the numerator and denominator as well as denominator both are equal. It is a homogeneous equation. If it is a homogeneous equation, we can solve the differential equation by homogeneous method. Put y equal to Vx. Put y equal to Vx. Differentiate y with respect to x. Differentiate y with respect to x. Y become dy by dx. Y become dy by dx. You can use it as what? UV formula. U into v dash plus v into u dash. So, v into 1. X become 1 plus x into here dv by dx. Become dv by dx. V into 1 plus x into dv by dx. So, dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx. V plus x into dv by dx. See, dy by dx equal to, we can write it in the form of v plus x into dv by dx. V plus x into dv by dx equal to x plus, what we are assuming for y, vx. Vx by x minus vx. X plus vx by x minus vx. So, see here, x plus v plus x into dv by dx. V plus x into dv by dx equal to x, you can take it out. What is the remaining value? 1 plus v by x into 1 minus v by x into 1 minus v. X get cancelled. V plus x into dv by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx equal to 1 plus v by 1 minus v. So, x into dv by dx, x into dv by dx equal to x into dv by dx equal to 1 plus v by 1 minus v. You bring that v to the right hand side, it become minus v. Become minus v. So, x into dv by dx equal to x into dv by dx equal to, you can take it as the LCM 1 minus v. So, 1 plus v minus v into 1 minus v minus v into 1 minus v by 1 minus v. 1 plus v minus v into 1 minus v by 1 minus v. X into dv by dx. X into dv by dx equal to 1 plus v minus v plus v minus v plus v square. 1 plus v minus v plus v square by 1 minus v. So plus v minus v get cancelled. X into dv by dx equal to x into dv by dx equal to 1 plus v square by 1 minus v. 1 plus v square by 1 minus v. See, variable separable. 1 minus v by 1 plus v square. 1 minus v by 1 plus v square into dv equal to dx by x. So that is variable separable method. dv and dx should be in the numerator. So dv, so you can bring to that 1 plus v square by 1 minus v to the left hand side. It will reciprocal the value 1 minus v by 1 plus v square into dv and equal to dx by x, integrating on both the sides. Integrating on both the sides, you can split the value. See, 1 by 1 plus v square into dv minus v by 1 plus v square into dv equal to integral dx by x. See, what is the formula for integral 1 by a square plus x square into dx? 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. But here a value is 1 square. So 1 by 1 tan inverse of x by 1 plus c. So integral 1 by 1 square plus v square into dv minus c here. What is the differentiation of 1? 0. Differentiation of v square is what? 2v. But here v is there. 2 is missing. So you can multiply and divide by v, or otherwise you can take it as in the rougher column 1 plus v square equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. See, what is the value? 0 plus 2v into dv equal to dt. dv equal to dt. v dv equal to 1 by 2 into dt. With respect to t we are doing. So 1 becomes 0. v square is, differentiation of v square is 2v into dv. With respect to v only, d become dt. So v into dv equal to 1 by 2 dt. So integral, see here, v dv equal to 1 by 2 dt by 1 plus v square is t. 1 by 2 is constant. dt by t is nothing but what? Log of mod t. If you want, you can take it as a substitution method and do it, or otherwise, see here, see the denominator. Whenever v square comes in the denominator, v it is in the numerator, you check the differentiation of the denominator. See, 1 become 0. Differentiation of 1 becomes 0. What is the differentiation of v square? 2v. Here v is there, 2 is missing. So multiply and divide by 2. Multiply and divide by 2. Multiply and divide by 2 into dv by 1 plus v square equal to integral dx by x. Either you can choose this method or you can do it separately, or you can do it straight away. See, so 1 by 1 square plus v square is nothing but 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. So 1 by 1 tan inverse of v by 1 minus 1 by 2 into differentiation of 1 is 0, v square is 2v dv log of modulus of 1 plus v square equal to log of integral dx by x is log of mod x plus c. So you change that value, you know very well, y equal to vx. What is the value of v? v equal to y by x. v equal to y by x. See here, tan inverse of v minus 1 by 2 log of modulus of 1 plus v square minus log of mod x equal to c. Minus log of mod x. You bring this value to the left hand side. So tan inverse of v minus, you can take it as commonly out, minus, you can take it as commonly out, 1 by 2 into log of 1 plus v square plus log of mod x plus log of mod x equal to c. So you can take the 2 as the LCM. 2 you can take it as the LCM, or you can multiply by 2 throughout. So 2 tan inverse of v multiply by 2 both left hand side and right hand side minus log of 1 plus v square. 1 plus v square because 2 by 2 come 1 plus 2 log of mod x equal to 2c. Equal to 2c. See, 2 into tan inverse of v minus 2 into tan inverse of v minus log of modulus of 1 plus v square according to the power rule plus log of modulus of x square. Log of modulus of x square equal to 2c. 2 tan inverse of v minus log m plus log n, log mn. So log of modulus of 1 plus v square into x square. 1 plus v square into x square equal to 2c. So 2 tan inverse of v value is what? Y by x minus log of modulus of 1 plus y square by x square. Y square by x square into x square. Y square by x square into x square equal to 2c. So 2 tan inverse of y by x, 2 tan inverse of y by x minus log of modulus of x square plus y square by x square. You can take the LCM, x square into x square equal to 2c. X square get cancel. X square get cancel. See, 2 tan inverse of y by x, 2 tan inverse of y by x minus log of modulus of x square plus y square minus log of modulus of x square plus y square equal to 2c divided by 2. What is the value we are getting? Tan inverse of y by x minus 1 by 2 log of modulus of x square plus y square equal to c. Equal to c is the required differential equation. See the fourth sum. X square minus y square into dx plus 2xy into dy equal to 0. So you can write it in such a way, 2xy into dy equal to minus x square minus y square into dx. It is easy to bring the value dy by dx. So you can keep the dy value in the left hand side. So dy by dx equal to minus x square minus y square by 2xy. 2xy. See the power. See the power. 2. So both numerator and denominator, the power is the degree are same. So it is a homogeneous equation. It is a homogeneous equation. So put y equal to Vx. Put y equal to Vx. If y equal to Vx, dy by dx. dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx. So you can substitute, you can take it as this is 1 and this is 2. So you can substitute the 2 value in 1. See here, v plus x into dv by dx equal to minus x square minus y value is what? Vx. V square x square by 2x into Vx. 2x into Vx. V plus x into dv by dx equal to x square is common, you can take it out. X square into minus x square into 1 minus v square by 1 minus x square into 1 minus v square by 2v into x square. X square get cancel. So v plus x into dv by dx equal to, you bring minus inside, so it become minus 1 plus v square by 2v. Minus 1 minus into minus plus v square by 2v. X into dv by dx equal to minus 1 plus v square by 2v minus v. Minus v, you bring that minus to the right hand side. X into dv by dx equal to minus 1 plus v square minus 2v into v. You can take it as 2v as the LCM by 2v. See, x into dv by dx equal to minus 1 plus v square minus 2v square by 2v. Minus 1 plus v square minus 2v square by 2v. So x into dv by dx equal to minus 1 v square minus 2v square is nothing but what? Minus v square by 2v. So x into dv by dx equal to minus, you can take it out. So what is the remaining thing? 1 plus v square by 2v. 1 plus v square by 2v. See, variable separable method. So 2v by 1 plus v square. 2v by 1 plus v square into dv equal to minus dx by x. Integrating on both the sides. See, what is the differentiation? If it is come like this, v square v, you check the differentiation of the denominator. You don't take it as a substitution method as yet. It's a long, lengthy process. So you can see here itself. See, what is the differentiation of 1? 0. What is the differentiation of v square? 2v. So when you differentiate the denominator, you can get the value of the numerator. You can write straight away log of modulus of 1 plus v square. Is it clear, children? See, differentiation of 1 is 0 and v square is 2v. So when you differentiate the denominator, you are getting the value of the numerator log of the denominator. So log of modulus of 1 plus v square equal to minus log of mod x. When both the sides log comes, you can write plus log of mod c. So log of modulus of 1 plus v square plus log of mod x. So log of mod x to the left hand side equal to log of mod c. Log of mod c. So log m plus log n. Log m plus log n equal to log mn. Log of modulus of 1 plus v square into x. Log mn. Log m plus log n. Log of modulus of m plus log of modulus of n equal to log of modulus of mn equal to log of mod c. Taking antilog on both the sides or raising the power e on both the sides, what is the value we are getting? Log get cancel both the sides. 1 plus v square into x equal to c. What is the value of v? Y equal to vx. V equal to y by x. So you change the value v by y by x. 1 plus y square by x square, because v value is y by x. Y by x the whole square is what? Y square by x square into x equal to c. So you can take the LCM as x square. So x square plus y square by x square. X square plus y square by x square into x equal to c. Can take the LCM x square plus y square by x square into x. It get cancelled. So x square plus y square by x equal to c. X square plus y square equal to cx is the required differential equation. I hope you understood this homogeneous equation, children. See, to receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.